Hi, I'm Patrick with NFlight, and today I'm going to talk about our NFlight Tie Down Mount. This mount's super versatile and super easy to install on most aircraft that have a tie-down ring like this, or even have a tie-down hook like the Piper Cherokees do. We'll show that in a later video. So, super simple. We have a screw with a ratcheting handle on it here. I just simply place the tie-down mount through the ring and then thread our spud, which is the base for our ball head mount, onto the screw. And once I get close, once it's snug, I can pull out on the ratcheting red handle here and tighten it up. Then I can pull out again on the handle and streamline the handle so it is going the direction of the airflow. Now once I have the base installed, the spud, I can install the top of the ball head with a camera. So I simply aim the camera the direction I want. Now we also make this tie-down mount for those of you with Cirrus aircraft with a slightly longer bolt. If you have the tie-down mount in the tail, where you put the rope through to tie the aircraft down, it's extra thick. And this also works on Piper Cherokee aircraft as well.